Okay. All right, so now we have our little, we created our little earth here, right? We got our mountain in the middle, we got some dirt, some flowers, whatever. All right, so now what is missing?
Sunlight.
Sunlight. We are missing the sunlight. So, here's our handy flashlight. Turn it up to a very high volume, and if you can just hold this here for 2 hours. I'm just kidding. All right, so we see the light, right? She's shining on the light. We're going to just leave it there for a few minutes or so. And what do you think is going to... Oh, one thing we're missing. The little pebbles. This will go in the center so that the water can gather in the middle and drip down into the center. That's why we created a hole in the mountain. If we didn't have a hole in the mountain, then it would just run off the surface and back onto the ground again. All right, so we hold that there for a few minutes. And after, let's say, 2 hours, 3 hours. So after 2 hours, here we go. So after 3 hours, we shall see. Thank you, my volunteers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. After 2 or 3 hours, we're going to see evaporation. On the different sides, on this you can see the sides have evaporated. It took more than 2 hours. Then that evaporation is going to condense and cause precipitation. And as you can see, the water will start to drip straight down into the little holes. And these will be your observation questions. Which part of the activity simulated the evaporation? You could just record this in your journals. Which part simulated condensation? Which part simulated precipitation? Which part simulated transcription? What is the energy source and what does it represent? What elements of the water cycle are not represented in this demonstration? After observing this activity, explain why water is considered a renewable resource. And